Now we're going to look at another article to try and determine the problem and solution. Animal shelters. One issue that our world is facing today is overcrowding in animal shelters. Animal shelters take in approximately 6.5 million animals every year, and only about 3.2 million are adopted. This leaves so many more animals to love. One way to solve the problem is to encourage more people to adopt pets rather than buying them from a breeder. Another solution is to make sure that pets are sprayed and neutered, which means they won't be able to breed. This will lead to fewer animals needing to be adopted. One more solution would be to teach people how to be responsible pet owners, because many pets are brought to shelters as a result of their owners not being able to take care of them. These animals deserve a loving home, so let's take the steps needed to get them one. So you are going to go to the next slide and tell me what are the problems and solutions in this passage.